Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're going to talk about lightening our inner thighs. Before we get into it, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that you are a part of the family. Don't forget to hit the subscription box and also the notification bell, put always, so you know when I upload next. But I'll give you a second to go ahead and get that done while we wait. But while we wait, I'll go ahead and show you my inner thighs. Okay. Here's my inner thigh. And trust me, your girl was a little thickums back in the day. I had darker thighs. And I want to make sure that y'all all know that like having darker areas anywhere on your body is totally fine. If you're embarrassed by it, please don't be. Like everybody gets some type of like discoloration or hyperpigmentation or whatever. Like it's totally normal. And if you're embarrassed of it because you think like a guy isn't gonna like you or something, no guy is ever gonna turn away like some thick thighs, okay? Trust me, trust me. If this is gonna make you feel more comfortable, I'm totally for it. So I will tell you what I do to like lighten up my thighs a little bit. And so I'll tell you like the main concoction that I use to lighten my thighs. I hope this works for you. It will work over time. It's everything that you use, like you have to put work into it. So I say you'll start seeing results in like the first couple of weeks, but it's not going to completely go away, especially if you keep on doing friction and stuff. So the first thing that I want to say is if you have thick thighs and your thighs rub together, I call it chub rub. It's a beautiful thing because that means you know, you're warm down there. But it can be like irritating, which is why you're getting the darkness. So just make sure that you're wearing clothing that is not making your thighs rub together, or you're not doing it for like a long period of time. Like if you're in the pool or you're going to the beach and you're wearing a bikini, of course, but you might want to put on some like linen type of shorts or pants when you get out and before you are ready to expose yourself, so you're not having to deal with that discomfort of the rubbing. That is a huge thing. I had to learn that with like summertime and all of that. Like I can't be wearing them coochie cutter shorts anymore. I have to wear clothes that like is going to help me with not chafing. Number 2, I do not shave right there. The hair for me, and I think for most people, like it's pretty non-existent, so it doesn't bother me, it doesn't bother my boyfriend at all. It's literally just like peach fuzz down there. So I stopped shaving down there, and that has helped tremendously because once again, we're not having to deal with any type of friction. Last thing that I use is a concoction that I'm going to show for you guys. It is super easy, cheap, quick. Just do this like every other day for a month. Give it a month and I promise you're gonna see some results. So baking soda, you have to have this if you have a fridge. So go ahead, pour some baking soda in your cup or whatever. Okay, my camera just died on me, so back to what I was saying. This is just lukewarm water. And oh my gosh, just do a little bit. And you want it to just be a paste. So maybe a little more. So it can stick, right? And then we're doing a live showing of this. So you're just gonna rub it in both sides. I would recommend to do it in the shower. And you're just gonna let it sit for, like I said, just like 5 minutes. All right, so I have this sitting on my thighs right now, just lightening them things up. So obviously you also want to do like your normal stuff, exfoliate, make sure that you're moisturizing the skin, and do this every day. Wear loose fitting clothes, and like make sure that you're having clothes that can give your thighs like room to breathe, because girl, your thighs need to breathe. But always keep in mind that confidence is like the best thing to do. Nobody is really thinking about your body parts the way that you are, and everybody has some sort of issue that they're dealing with. This is a natural thing. It's totally fine. Nobody's really judging you. So just be confident out there. Don't forget to give this video a like. Oh, once I'm done with the 5 minutes, I literally just rinse it off with a washcloth, and then I'm good to go. But please give this video a like if you like it. It helps with the algorithm, so I need your help, girls. Thank you so much for watching the video. I love you to the moon and back. Mwah! Bye.